our topic definite integrals. Today we are going to see some question based upon direct formula and integration by parts of definite integral. Let us see, our first question is integrate. It is from 0 to 1, 1 upon 2x minus 3 dx. Okay, you can see here. Now this is 1 upon x. You know the integration of 1 upon x is your log mod x. So this can be of the form, you can write this one as log mod 2x minus 3, and here it will be, you will be having the limit 0 to 1, and since the power coefficient with x is 2, so this will be equal to half. हाफ आपका आ जाएगा, या तो आप इसको देखिए सब्स्टिट्यूशन से भी कर सकते हैं. इन सब्स्टिट्यूशन योर लिमिट गेट्स चेंज. व्हाट वी डू इज लेट 2x minus 3 is equal to t. अब देखिए when x is equal to x equals to 0, जब x आपका 0 है तो what will the value of t, that is minus 3, and when x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, then your t will be equal to minus 1, right? We'll keep here 1, 2 into 1 minus 3, then t is equal to minus 1, and when you differentiate this becomes 2 dx is equal to dt. Your question takes the form, देखिए पहले x की लिमिट 0 थी, अब x की लिमिट विथ 0 में t की क्या हो जाएगी minus 3, and here it will be minus 1, and the question takes the form dt, यहाँ पे आपका हाफ आ जाएगा अपॉन t. So this is equal to log t, and what is the value of log t here? You can see limit आपको आ जाएगा minus 1, minus 3, and this half will be here. So we are here with half log minus 1 minus log minus 3, right? Now you can see here this becomes half log 1 minus log 3, as here it is mod. So what is the value of log 1? That is 0. So what is our final answer? Our final answer will be minus half log 3. So this is how we can also do it by substitution, and we can also use the direct formula. Okay. Now moving on to the next one. Always remember, whenever you are doing substitution, then in that case your limit will also be changed. For question number 2, it is 0 to, it is 0 pi by 4 under root. In place of 1 you can write cos square x plus sin square x minus 2 sin x cos x, right? And then dx. देखिए sin 2x का फॉर्मूला 2 sin x cos x, 1 can be written as cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. Now this becomes 0 to pi by 4. This is of the form a square plus b square minus 2ab. तो ये आपका हो जाएगा cos x minus sin x the whole square under root. dx लगा लीजिए. यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए, since cos x is greater than sin x in 0 to pi by 4. Okay, now here again 0 to pi by 4, this takes mod cos x minus sin x as under root x square is equal to mod x. Now dx, right? Now you can see here this form is changed to here. Now we'll be doing the direct integration. Cos x का integration आपका हो जाएगा minus sin x. Cos x का integration, sorry, it will be sin x, and sin x का minus cos x, तो ये plus cos x 0 to pi by 4. Now here it becomes sin pi by 4. आपने लिमिट रखी अपर लिमिट, प्लस cos pi by 4 minus sin 0 plus cos 0. So here you can see ये आपका हो जाएगा 1 upon under root 2 plus 1 upon under root 2 minus sin 0 is 0, 0 plus 1. So what we get here, answer, आपका आंसर हो जाएगा 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon root 2, that is 2 upon root 2 minus 1, which can be written as root 2 minus 1. So this is how we have simplified. Now moving on to the next one. Your question number 3, that is 0 to pi by 2 e to the power x sin x minus cos x dx. Now this can be changed, minus 0 to pi by 2 e to the power x cos x minus sin x. Now dx, this we have changed in this form. You can see here e to the power x fx plus f dash x dx is equal to e to the power x fx plus c. cos x आपका फंक्शन है और cos x का डिफरेंशिएशन आपका क्या है, sin x. तो आप इस तरीके से कर सकते हैं. दिस इज रिलेटेड विथ इंटीग्रेशन बाय parts. Okay, now when we use this formula, you can see here there is no need of another step, we can directly use this, becomes minus. यहाँ पे function आपका you can write here fx is equal to cos x and f dash x is equal to minus sin x. So this takes the form 0 to pi by 2 minus, already we have, if no need of arranging, directly we can do, this is e to the power x fx में आपका हो जाएगा cos x minus आपका रहेगा, and you will put the limit 0 pi upon 2. Now you can see here pi by 2 is 90 and cos 90 is 0, so e to the power pi by 2 cos pi by 2 minus e to the power 0 cos 0. This term will be your 0 minus 1. So we are here with answer 1. Any number to the power 0 is 1 and cos 0 is 1. So here this term is 0. So final answer is here 1. Now moving on to the next one. Zero to 2 under root 4 minus x square dx. We are doing the integration of under root a square minus x square dx is equal to x upon 2 under root a square minus x square plus half a square sin inverse x upon a. So this is the formula which we'll be using in this question. So this becomes x upon 2, right? Under root, what is the value of a? 4. So 4 minus x square plus half your a square will be 4 sine inverse x, a is your 2, right? Then what is the limit here? 2 and 0. First of all, we'll keep this 2 here. You can see 2 upon 2 under root 4 minus 4 plus half into 4 sine inverse 2 upon 2 माइनस. नाउ यू टू कीप 0. जब आप 0 रखोगे तो देखिए ये टर्म आपका 0 हो जाएगा एंड अगेन योर दिस टर्म विल ऑल्सो बी इक्वल टू 0. यहाँ पे 0 रखेंगे तो ये पूरा टर्म 0 हो जाएगा, राइट? और यहाँ पे भी आप देखिए 0.20 साइन 0 is 0, सो दिस विल बी अगेन 0 प्लस 0. इसको हम लोग सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. ये टर्म आपका क्या हो गया? 0. सो दिस इज 0 प्लस 2 साइन इनवर्स 1, साइन इनवर्स 1 minus 0. So here it is 2. Sine inverse 1 is your pi upon 2. So 2 into pi by 2 minus 0 and the final answer is your pi. So this is how your questions of definite integrals are based. All the things you have to do of indefinite integrals, only when you come in the last answer, then only you have to put the limit if there is no substitution, and if there is a substitution, obviously there will be change in the limit and accordingly you have to proceed. Thank you.